सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
सदाशिवसमारम्भां ज्ञानसम्बन्धाचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis. Let's move to the satsang subject, yogic strategies for health. Asanam. Asanam means stiram sukham asanam, where your muscles are completely comfortable and stable with each other. Being comfortable and stable with other muscles is asanam. Next to asanam, pranayamaha. Please understand, I'll put the whole thing in one line. Pranayama is nothing but deep breathing, that's all. Whenever you remember yourself, decide to have at least 11 deep breaths. You will have the effect of pranayama. All pranayamas put together. Visualize you are breathing up to your knees. That's all. All the 112 various pranayamas Kumbhaka Paddhati describes, everything boils down to this one truth. This one truth. That is deep breathing. Breathing through your belly and feeling the air up to your knees while standing. Deep breathing awakens the non-mechanical parts of your brain, allows you to have this cognizance, the new clearances you carry. Please understand, unless your non-mechanical parts of the brain is awakened, even if you think, I am a clearance of joy, bliss, I am the embodiment of Shiva, no, you will not feel it. You will not be able to connect with it. Only in the high energy, you will be able to connect with all these great ideas. That is why you can see atheists are always dull people. If you have seen a single energetic atheist, he is not an authentic atheist. Understand? He is a theist in his art. He is not integrated. I know there are some energetic atheists in India. In their heart, they are theists. They are staunch believers. They are inauthentic about their atheism. Whenever I see inauthentic atheists, I bless them. At least you saved yourself. So deep breathing is pranayama, a powerful strategy for health. Just with a deep breathing, give instructions to your body will become healthy. Just with a deep breath, tell your body what you want from your body, how your body should respond to life. With a deep breathing, give instruction, it will just follow. It will just follow. The next yogic strategy, a very powerful strategy, pratyahara. Please understand. Having passions for your new clearances to express on your system is pratyahara.
Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, March 13th to April 2nd, 2013. Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact 097422 Email ia@nityananda.org.
Nityanandam. My name is Balamurugan. I am from Singapore. I am working as a senior manager in IT company. About Inner Awakening, it's a extraordinary, amazing program. It's gifted by living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. It is a complete transformation of inner world and outer world. The program has touched all parts of dimensions of inner world and outer world. I personally experience a lot of transformation in me. I can feel I took a new Janma after attending this program. It is a really, really great transformation happened in me. It is a great experiences went through part of program. I recommend this program to all to attend, to whoever want to see the transformation in their life. Come and experience that transformation. Thank you.
ಶಿವ ಎಂದರೆ ಮಂಗಳತ್ವ.
ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 2013 ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಂತ ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷರಾದ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾದ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಾಚರಣೆ. ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಂದ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ, ಶಿವಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಕಲ್ಪತರು ದರ್ಶನ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರುವ ಶಿವ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ 7760980637 ಹಾಗೂ 9611215123.
Having passions for your new clearances to express on your system is pratyahara. I'll give you one example. You say, I am the clearance of joy and bliss. After 2-3 hours, but I wanted my clearance to happen now. I am the clearance of a harmonious relationship with my husband or spouse. For first 1 hour you believe, you feel, you cognize. After 2 hours, you say, I want this to happen now. Only then I will believe the clearance, my clearance is working on me. Now he has to call me or email me, tell his love for me. Only then I will understand, I will accept this new clearance is working in me. Don't go on create hindrances for your new clearance to flower. It is like you planted the banyan seed now, just now, and by the time it starts sprouting, you try to tell the elephant, come on, tie the elephant in this tree. No. Allow the sprouting to happen. Allow the sprouting. Holding on to the new clearance without falling back to the old clearances, with a sincere patience for this new clearance to flower, with intense passion and patience, is pratyahara. Either what you do, okay, then clearance is not going to help me today. It's a long-term plan. Forget about it. You fall back. Or you say, no, it has to work now. Actually, it works. No doubt it works. But unfortunately, you carry many of the past clearances also in corners of your new clearances. By the time you think, I am the clearance for the harmonious relationship with my spouse, already few doubts have come in your corner. No. How is that going to happen so immediately? Maybe if I follow the same, after a few days, it will heal. I know it will heal because the ideas are right, but see, the other book also I read about the psychology and how to be friends with people, how to influence people. Like those patterns, like those ideas, it will all work, and maybe by the end of next year it will all be clear. It's very unfortunate. You went on proving that nothing new can happen to you. Nothing good can happen to you. You are waiting to prove nothing good can happen to you. You are bent on proving nothing new is possible to you. Having the passions for the new clearance to express itself in you is pratyahara. Dharana. Understand? Dharana means supporting with various logic and ideas, maneuvering your new clearance to become a reality is dharana. When you see the new clearance doing miracles without calling them as small miracles, wow, yes. When the logic is giving way, when the new clearance is opening, the new possibilities, adding support to the new clearance and the new possibility, helping the Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jagrata, is Dharana. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.